Okay, here we are, Lesson 6, Chapter 2. We are going to continue looking at example problems. So your book is open to 444, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at number 6. Okay, you're going to see story problems as you are going through and looking at how we're going to write expressions. So take a look at this example problem. It says, write an expression for the total cost of 5 lotions, 2 candles, 4 lip balms, and then find the total cost. So this is the cost per item, but each of them we're buying them individually. So if I'm buying 5 lotions, I'm really taking 5 times 5. And then I'm going to be adding it to the total candles that I'm going to buy. I'm buying 2 candles, so I'm taking 2 times $7 because they're each $7, plus I'm buying 4 lip balms, so 4 lip balms at $2 each. So notice we're going to do all of the multiplication first, so we would multiply all of these first, and then we're going to add them all together. So you're going to see down here that they did 5 squared, 5 to the second power, which is the same as 5 times 2, which is totally fine, which they got 25. And then they still have their 2 times 7 plus their 4 times 2. Then they multiplied this 2 times 7 first, so they brought down their 25, plus 14, and then they ended up leaving the 4 times 2. So then they did 4 times 2 in the next line. Once they added it all, they got a total of $47. So take a look at this question. It says Alexis and 3 of her friends are at the mall. Each person buys a pretzel for $4. So 3 friends, okay, and they each buy a pretzel at $4. And then they are going to be adding, each person buys a pretzel and then they buy sauce. So 3 friends times $1. And then they're each buying a drink for $2. So then you're going to be taking 3 times 2. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do over here, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, right or left, and then add or subtract from left to right. Okay, so we're all going from left to right. I guess it's right to left, but I don't know. Left to right. Okay, so we're going to first start with our 3 times 4, which is 12. And then we're going to bring everything else down. And then I'm going to bring down the 12 because I know that I need to then multiply my 3 times 1, which is 3. Bring everything else down. And now I'm left with plus, plus, and a multiply, so I know that I'm going to leave this alone. And then I'm going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. And so now I'm going to go in order from left to right. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 6, and when I add that all together, I get $21. So they were able to get, 3 pretzels, 3 sauces, and a drink for a total of $21. All right, let's take a look at these example problems right here, and then that is it. We will be done. All right, so over here, again, we're going to write, I'm going to move this, actually, let's go this way. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide left to right, and then add or subtract left to right. So here we go. We're going to rewrite this problem. 9 plus 3 minus 5. Parentheses, do I have any? Nope. Exponents, do I have any? Nope. Then I'm going to go multiply or divide. Multiply, divide, don't have any. Then I move on to add or subtract left to right, so I'm actually going to do whatever comes first, which is 9 plus 3, which is 12. And then I bring down my minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7, so my answer is 7. Okay, let's rewrite this problem. Parentheses, 26 plus 5, close the parentheses, times 2 minus 15. So we're going to start with the P, parentheses. Yes, do I have them? Sure do. So 26 plus 5 is 31, and I bring everything else down. Nice and neat. Okay, done with parentheses. Do I have any exponents? Nope. Moving on. Multiply or divide. Do I have that? I sure do. I have multiplication, so I must multiply 31 times 2. 31 times 2 is 62. Bring down my minus 15. 62 minus 15 is 47. And let's take a look at number 3. So rewrite it. 5 squared plus 8 divided by 2. Parentheses, do I have any? Nope. Exponents, yes I do. Remember, it is not 5 times 2. It is not 5 times 2. Rather, it is 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25 plus 8 divided by 2. So parentheses, exponents, done and done. Multiply or divide. I have multiplication, or I have division, so I must do my division first. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Bring down my plus 25, and now I have 25 plus 4, which is 29. Okay, let's take a look at this last one. It says, tickets to a play cost $10 for members and $24 for non-members. Write an expression to find the total cost of 4 non-member tickets and 2 member tickets. Then find the total cost. So let's first write an expression. So $10 for members, and how many members do I have? Times 2. Or you could also do 10 to the second power. I need to add that with my non-members, which would be 24. And I'm having 4 of those, so 24 times 4. Okay, so I first need to multiply, so I'm going to do 10. That looks like a negative sign. Sorry, because I had underlined it. It's not negative. All right, 10 times 2 is 20, plus 24 times 4. Not sure what that is. Use your calculator or just quickly do it over here, which is 96. So now I'm going to take 96 plus 20, I'm sorry, I'm running out of room, which would give me a total of $116. Okay, so I'd get a total of $116 for 4 non-members and 2 member tickets. Okay, that is it. That is your lesson on expressions. Again, the most important part is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which is up here, and knowing that that means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, add, or subtract. So you're going to hear me say that over and over and over again, so much that I'm probably going to be in your sleep tonight, and you'll probably have nightmares. But at least you'll remember the order of operations. Okay, good job. Close your book. Move on to whatever you need to do next.